Good afternoon. Today we are going to walk through how to register an experience in Handshake. So first you're going to want to click on the Miami University Career Center and then click the tab that says Experiences. Once you get up to this screen, you're going to click Submit an Experience, and now we're going to walk through the template and look at all the answers. So first we're going to go, let's just say an accounting internship for fall of this year. So you're going to need to put in the organization name. So if we're doing an accounting internship, we could do something like Clark Schaefer Hackett. So we're going to go ahead and type that in. There we go, and we'll select it, and you'll want to make sure that the location listed is the correct one for your office. If the name does not show up when you type it, there's nothing wrong with that. That just means it hasn't been logged before. So next you're going to type in the type of experience. So in this case, we're going to put in intern. And then we need to walk through and register the date. So you're going to put the start date for your experience. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and we'll say the beginning of September. And then we need to select when that internship ends. So we're going to do the end of November there. The next box says experience type. Just like before, we're going to type in internship. And then you're going to want to add your salary. We'll most likely do this based on your hourly rate. And then you'll get the option with boxes down there to type in and select hourly. When you're going through, we're going to need information on who at your internship to reach out to, who's going to be supervising you. So in this case, as an example, I'm going to go ahead and just put myself. So you'll do the email address, first name, last name. We aren't going to type anything here for now, but you'll want to put in the title and a contact phone number as well. In the next section under additional internship information, you're going to need to put in your email address and then your major. Then if you have a minor, go ahead and type that. And if you're relocating, you're going to want to put the date that you're going to be there. If you're doing these internships local, like the example we used, you can just put NA. Then for the hours per week, you're going to want to log that as accurately as possible. In the next section, we're going to put how many credit hours you're requesting, and this may be limited or determined by your college or major. So you'll want to check with your advisor there. The format of the internship, on-site, remote, or hybrid, you'll select that. And then you're going to describe some duties. Right now, I'm going to put in some general information, but when you go through and fill this out, you're going to want to be as specific as possible. Make sure in this next box with the learning objectives that you put in all three. And again, you'll want to put a little more detail than I'm putting right now. This is just an example. So we'll put one learning objective about networking, one about working on projects. And then we can put a third learning objective about something technology related. And again, this will be specific to where you're working. Different employers will have different technology that they use. So you'll want to be as specific as possible. This next section, you'll want to put how you connected with your internship. It could be on a campus, it could be through a referral, whatever it is. And then you'll just need to fill out these last couple of boxes. It'll have to do with your international status and then agreeing to the policy. And then once you click submit, you are all done.